Alrighty, hello and welcome. I thought I'd do a quick construction zone update. Sorry, I'm all sweaty and bothered, but I thought I'll give you a quick update here today. So, we have done an awful lot of sheetrock, none of which is square, nothing seems to fit, there are no right angles, so everything has been troublesome, every single thing. So we built an entire room over there. Let me take you over there quick. This part you might have seen before. This whole, hey Romeo's down there. Come on, Romeo. Anyway, this whole piece is coming out. There's Laura Louise down there.
Hi guys.
So that whole piece is coming out here. All of this flooring is coming out. That beam stays, that flooring back there comes out. Obviously, I still have to move the fireplace up there, but this has been built. The AC is behind there. Over here, there's going to be a step up, coming up like that to the same level as that flooring. And all the sheetrock has been done, AC's been done, electrical work has been done. We're now ready for the floorboards to come on here. Obviously, we're still going to continue these floor joists underneath here. Lights are in, ceiling is in, a little more sheetrock up here this week. Then this, which is going to be the Nemesis project, is to sheetrock all of this. That is going to be very, very painful. I mean, just that piece today, we struggled for about 45 minutes with that because those angles are just all very, very weird and awkward. But anyway, that's the update so far. Hope you're loving it, and this is going to be the cool new office when it's done. That's it, over and out from me. Bye guys, ciao, catch you later. Oh, you can even see the view from up here. Beautiful day out today. We're going to take the dogs out to the dog run. And remind me to clean the windows. Bye. Love you guys. There we go. That's better. So heading up my DIY staircase. By the way, this room used to be a little outside kind of stoop patio, something like that. And I built this office up here by myself. So this is my really cool office. I love it, by the way. This is a space above the garage. There was absolutely nothing. I'll show you what it used to look like. And let me just put my milk down for the coffee. Pop in here real quick. You'll see it's pitch black dark because it's 3 o'clock in the morning. But this is basically the attic space. This is where I put all the stuff that used to be here in the office. But anyway, do we go back to the little tour? So this is the double volume space that used to be an outdoor, really kind of awkward room with lots of beams in it. And I had to build all of this here whilst there were still floor beams in here. And then in this office here, let's get that into focus, used to be all the air conditioning pipes and electrical pipes that came across in here. So here we've got a little kitchen area. Here is Laura Louise's desk, or one of her desks. As you can tell, she deals with paper. And I have lost my coffee somewhere. So here's a nice little podcast interview type session where this is a little invention that Laura Louise came up with that I then built, and we call it Jarvis. It's a totally mobile AV trolley with camera, computer, microphone, coasters, even a printer, lights, the whole thing up here, and we can basically reel it around here. So if Laura Louise and I are doing like an interview, we'll do that from here. Oh, don't tell her I'm using her princess cup. Yeah, or we roll the station over here, and then we can take do an interview or a meeting over here. I'm busy working on my crushing it thing, which, by the way, is 20 days and 6 hours away. So that's the dashboard where everybody comes in, by the way. So once you sign up and you get a ticket, you can go to the main stage or the help desk, get VIP, then join the Bar American, emoji use, get a certificate, FAQs, apply for laser coaching, speakers page, downloads, backgrounds, ask a question, agenda, and so on. Anyway, continue the tour. So this is my area over here. As you can see, it is absolutely stacked full with swag for the VIPs in the new Crushing It event. So there's the coasters, there's the door hangers, there's the hydration, there are the pens, which are cool. Life and business on your terms, notebooks, and here I am working. I'm supposed to be reading Atomic Habits instead of making videos. There is a really cool book that Dan got me, super nice book. And yeah, here's what I'm working at. So from up here, I can control the studio downstairs. I'm funnel building at the moment. There is my next major acquisition on the vision board. Here are all my cool napkins, by the way, you love these. Every time I have an idea, it goes on a napkin. Only you gets to decide who gets to speak on your microphone. ASAP, always stop and pray. You don't rise to the levels of your goals and vision, you fall to the levels of your systems and habits. Habits are also a system. Anyway, I have lots of those. So that's the quick tour. I'm gonna go get back to work. It is absolutely pitch black dark outside and raining like crazy. Can't even see anything. The rest of the house is dark. And I am back to the coffee and funnel building. So that's it from me, guys. Thanks for the quick tour, and I will see you guys on the inside. Bye. Got to turn around and turn the video off because this is not being edited.